A court in Shanghai has made a landmark ruling on a marriage case based on China's new civil code, which came into effect on January 1st. The court ruled that the couple's marriage can be annulled due to a brand new provision in the code. CTTN's Chen Xiaoshu has this story.
According to the court, the couple married last June after the plaintiff, surnamed Li, became pregnant. It was then that the husband, surnamed Jiang, confessed to his wife that he had been living a lie. He told her he had been diagnosed with HIV several years ago and was taking medication to control the symptoms. Miss Li hadn't been infected, but she felt she had been deceived and wronged by her husband. Fearing the baby would also be infected, she terminated the pregnancy and applied to the courts for an annulment.
The civil code provides that a marriage can be annulled if one party suffers from a serious illness and didn't inform the other before the marriage registration.
The court decided to look into the case in September. Under the old law for marriages, a wife or husband could only look for an annulment if they were forced into the marriage. However, under the new law, because Jiang didn't disclose what was deemed a serious illness, Li was able to file for an annulment.
The notification of a major illness to one's partner is a necessary obligation. For this case, after the annulment of marriage, the no-fault party has the right to claim damages from the at-fault party according to the law.
When a marriage is annulled, it essentially means that the couple were never married and will remain unmarried, as opposed to a divorce, which stipulates that the marriage had taken place.
This reflects the Civil Code's protection of vulnerable people and honesty. The most basic value in marriage is mutual trust. Without it, it would violate the spirit of the Civil Code.
Chen Xiaoshu, CGTN.